In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix "sorry, something went wrong" error on Uber app. If this video helps, please like and subscribe. Alright, if you're getting this error on your Uber app, there are quite a number of steps that you can take to fix this. In the first method, you need to troubleshoot your app to fix this. To do this, just go to your settings, and from settings, look for apps. Under apps, look for this option, manage apps or all apps. This will list all the apps you have on your phone. From the list, just search for Uber, and if you tap on it, this will take you to Uber app info page. First, go to force stop and OK. Then go to clear data, clear cache and OK. Then clear all data. Once you're done, restart your smartphone and open your Uber app. Now it should be working without any issue. However, at this point, if you still can't log in or use your app, then check and then see if you are using any VPN app on your smartphone. You'll need to uninstall it or turn it off to fix this. This will also include if you have any security app that you installed recently. But should this not work, then check and see if you have any update through Google Play Store app or App Store if you're on iPhone. Because I'm on Android, I'll go to Play Store and go to search. So I'll just search for Uber. And if I run my search, you can see we have an update here, which means I've been using an outdated version of Uber app. Tap on update to update your app to the latest version. This will download the latest version of Uber Request a Ride app and then install it on your phone. Once the installation is done, now you should be able to use the latest version of Uber app without any issue. But at this point, if this does not work, then check and then see if you can log into your account using any web browser. So go to either Google Chrome, Firefox or any browser that you have on your phone, log into your account to see if this works. But should you still encounter the same problem, then most likely Uber might have experienced an internal server error. For that, you need to wait after some few minutes, try to log in or open your app, and now everything should be up and running without any issue. So let me know which of the above was able to fix your problem. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.